Hollywood, California for the last 9 years.
He is very comfortable in English language. So அதனால ஒரு தமிழ் வந்து அவ்வளோ கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக ஸ்டேஜில் பேச வராதுன்னு ஒரு ரிக்வஸ்ட் கேட்டுட்டாரு. ஸோ தயவுசெய்து யாரும் தப்பாக நினச்சிக்காதீங்க, அதை நான் சொல்லணுன்ட்டு தான் வந்தேன்.
இல்லை, தமிழ் நல்லா பேசுவேன்.
Stage.
I was doing the show only in English for the last 9 years, so my script's all in English, so that's the only reason. Okay. First of all, yeah, my show is based on psychology. I have a little bit of background on psychology. I use it in my show, obviously. So my job is today is I'm just going to do like a little bit of based on psychology. What I'm going to do is I'm going to influence people in a couple of different psychological aspects. For this, maybe I can use it without mic. You can hear my voice, right? Yeah, I think it's much comfortable for me. Okay, let me use this one right here. I think it's much comfortable talking like this for me, so it's easy for me. Okay, first I'm going to say what I'm going to do. Okay, my job is to influence you, and your job is to not to get influenced with my words or my actions. That's just very important, right? Okay. For the first one, I just
not able to.
Not able to hear. Please take the mic.
Not audible.
Anyone right here?
Not audible.
Not audible. Okay, I'm sorry. Can you hear my voice now?
No.
No. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Now it's better.
Oh, thank you. Okay. I'll give you candy later, okay? Okay, for the first one, I just need a beautiful, don't mind, can I bring you? No, it's okay, don't be shy, it doesn't matter. Very good. Okay, anyone? If you don't mind, you look intelligent, ma'am. It's okay, trust me, okay? Definitely, no, you get candy tomorrow, trust me, okay? You get candy too. If you don't know, what's your name, ma'am? Shamu, if you know, can you put your raise your hands, please? Come on, it's okay. Okay, come on. Give a big round of applause for a beautiful wedding. Oh, thank you. No problem with that, okay? I'm not going to hypnotize you, I promise you, okay? No, I'm not going to do that today, okay? I do it, but that's not today, okay? If you don't mind, we're going to do a couple of things. If you don't, can you stand up for a minute, please? Okay, just stand right there. Just look at me. I know it's difficult, but just do it, okay? I'm married. Okay, it's a joke, I'm sorry for it. Anyway. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for that reaction. Thank you. That's a great reaction. I really like that too. Anyway.
It's a joke, really.
Yeah, one time. That's a different magic too. Okay, we're not going to talk about that right here. Okay, just look at me for a minute, ma'am. Let me say what I'm going to do. Okay, as I told you before, I'm going to influence you. Do not get influenced with my words or my actions. You got it?
How is that?
That's my job. I have to do it. Okay. Okay. Just look at me.
Give her one mic.
Okay, look at me.
You can take one.
I want you to go and think of a random 2-digit number which comes to your mind. Random 2-digit number, but no 33, no 66, and no 99. Okay? No 33, no 66, and no 99. You got a 2-digit number in your mind? If you think that I influenced you in any way, you can change your mind. I'm just saying. You got one in your mind?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want, you can change your mind. Just give me a choice.
Yeah.
You okay? Okay, I just want you to do me a favor. I'll give you a sheet of paper.
Can you able to hear from the last?
Yeah, okay, you can hear my voice, right? Okay, I'm going to give you a sheet of paper and a marker, right? The 2-digit number right here, little bigger in size.
Okay.
Right? Take it, close it and give it to me.
Okay.
Do not show it to them or do not show it to me, okay? Just go inside it because I don't want to look at the movement of the pin or something.
Okay.
Because people think I cheat, but I'm an honest cheater, so that's okay. Thank you so much. Okay? Okay. Let me go, friend. I don't want to look at your movement of your pen or something. Once you're done, please let me know done so I can turn. Take your time. Today. You done?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just close it. Just come and say, okay. Where are you from, ma'am?
Chennai.
Please take the
Thank
mic.
you. Thank you so much for saying that. Okay. Just do me a favor. Take the wallet like this and just look like this. Can you see anything, something like this? Anything inside? No?
No.
It's just wallet. I stole it in my better office. That's okay. No, that's not marriage. That's called stealing. Okay. I love stealing. Anyway, don't do it. Okay. When I do it, that's entertainment. When you do it, that's a criminal. Don't do that. Okay. Just look at me. I told you to think of a random 2-digit number which comes in your mind, but I told you no 33, no 66, and no 99. You didn't think of this. You got the random choice.
Yes.
I don't think so. No 33, no 66, and no 99. This is not 33. This is not 66. And this is not 99. How many fingers is this?
One.
How many this one?
One.
That's 11. For the first time, say, what was the number you were thinking in your mind?
I was thinking 26.
Okay.
Then I changed to 11.
That's
Oh my
nice. See?
God.
Thank you so much. Give a big round of applause. I told you believe that I get paid for that. Anyway, let me do this for you because you're the right spectator for it. So let me do this for you. Is it okay? Okay. Why don't take a seat for a minute? Okay. Let me do this one for you. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿ ಅದ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ವೌಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ like a baby face. Okay. So since I was doing it something, right, let me do something further on it. Okay. This is not really magic, but I'm going to create an illusion like magic. Okay. I use the word psychological magic. The reason I'm using the word magic, it's not I'm using like a typical type of magic, but I'm using a psychology to create illusion like magic, as I told you before. Okay. So obviously you know what is this, right? Rubik's cubes. To solve this, you don't need to do magic. If you know the algorithm of the cube, obviously you can do it, right? Okay, look at it. I'm going to solve the cube. As I told you before, I'm going to create an illusion like magic. Once I start shaking like this, in a minute you can see it just look like it's just solving automatically. It's not actually, I'm just solving it, but it just look like that. If it happens like that, obviously...
Wow!
Anyway, but it's good. Normally when I do this, right, people always think there's some special cube or something, right? I know people don't trust me, so that's what I bring volunteer on stage. You can examine the cube and you can mix it. Don't break it, but just mix it, okay? Because that will happen for me a lot of time. Just mix it much as you want, okay? And once you're satisfied, just keep it with you. I'll be back with you in a minute, okay? While she's doing it, I'm just going to do one more. Actually, to solve the cube, right, there's like 49 continues to solve the cube, right? That's nothing to do with math, that's called mathematics. Yes, sir, take that video, put it on YouTube. That's called marketing.
That's called marketing.
Yeah, as I told you before, right? Okay, to solve this one, let me do this one, right? I just take the cube like this. I'm just going to go like this. I didn't cheat yet, I'll cheat in a minute. Okay, when I mix like this, I just solve like this. Slap like this. Oh, I didn't cheat yet, I'll have to cheat one more time. Okay. When I do this, actually the Rubik's Cube solved.
You have one more Rubik's Cube inside.
Thank you so much for messing up the trick.
This is what you expected, though.
I wish. Okay. Yeah, normally, but I can prove you, definitely it's not there, man.
You're holding.
See?
No, you're holding it.
Sir?
Under the cover.
Okay, you don't trust me, sir. You okay? Thank you. Okay, thank you. That's two people clap for my show. I really appreciate that. Okay, have you done it?
Yes.
You're satisfied with the shell mixing? Or you want to mix one or two more times? You look like you don't trust me.
No, okay.
You really trust me?
Yes, I
Can I get your phone number? No, it's okay. Don't. Sorry, that's not. I told you. Oh, it's a joke, okay? Okay, so if I do that, right, my wife will make me disappear. I told you that's a different magic too, okay? If you don't mind, ma'am, thanks so much. Give a big round of applause. Well, I'm doing this, right? Let me try this one because people, as I told you, ma'am, especially you don't trust me. Thank you for inviting me and don't trust me. I know that. Okay, I know it. Okay, so let's do this one right here. Just get this one cube like this. I'll just mix it like this right here, snap, and now I can do it quickly ready.
Wow.
Yeah, that will be amazing if I don't have a second cube this time. This time I have a second cube. I cheat, I told you to be cheating. Okay, yeah, that will be amazing for you. Do that actually. Okay. Okay, so let me do this one. While I'm doing this, right, I just do this for a minute. Okay, just take it like in the back. I'm going to do something. If you're able to solve this, that will be amazing. As I told, I cannot do it, but I do it in a different way. Okay, just take this cube, go in the back like this. Let me do this one. I think I've got some of it. It's solved and now it's mixed. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You got the joke. Normally people don't get it, but you know it. Okay, so actually when you see this one, doesn't make any sense, right? She mixed it much as you want and you did it on your own thing, right? Okay, and if one of my side matches one of yours, that will be pretty good, right? Yes, that will be pretty good. So I think that
See.
No, that's good. No. If that one matches it, what about the second one? That is it matches too.
No,
Not only second, that third one matches it. And the 4, and the 5, and the 6. Okay, hey. So let me do this one. See, I do like a more like a mentalism show, and I do a stage hypnotism on it. I know you know. I've seen this. That's what I do. But I promise you, especially if you do stage hypnotism in India, they think you're like the Samir Payan and so I don't want to do that. Okay, let me do something like as I told you, like you know a lot of there's people called mind reading mentalist learning. So same thing, little bit like this. But I'll let you do this one. If you don't mind, ma'am, because you asked me a lot of dogs, let me pick you for this. Okay, come on, give a big round of applause. So, thanks. While I'm doing this, right, I think this will be really fun. Ma'am, look at the kids.
சொல்லுங்க.
எத்தனை கிட்ஸ்னு சொல்லுங்க.
2 பையன்.
Okay. Ready for some? And I will take you to just look at me for a minute. Okay. I want you to go and think of one of the kids at the time the kid born. Okay. நீங்க என்ன டைம் நினைச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா just want to go and think of the time. Okay. Got the time of the person?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask you to just look at me right here. Just think of the time in your mind. Imagine there's a clock right here. And imagine the time of your kid born like this. Do not give a reaction to it. Just look at right here. Okay. If I'm not wrong, is it something between 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock? No. It's not between 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. I don't miss up on it. No, I was thinking aloud. Okay. So,
Yes.
Is it AM?
No.
PM?
Yes.
There's only 2 choices, obviously. Okay. Hey. Okay. So, just do me a favor. Okay. Doesn't matter AM, PM. But, I want to think of that time in your mind and repeat that time in your mind again and again of your time of your kid born. Repeat in your mind again and again something like 5:10 like that. What was the time your kid born?
It's 5:10 only.
Thank you. No, thank you. No, that will be amazing. Maybe you think it's something I get it in it. But I know because before I come for the show, right? I just have an envelope which is really so I really seal it out. Okay, if you don't mind, that was my small gift for you. If you don't mind, can you open it for me, please? Keep chill on the person. Will you take care? Okay. Oh, your experience is okay. Okay, can I help you?
Wait.
Okay, inside it, do not take it out. Inside I did something else. Before coming today, right, I took a picture of my alarm clock. I laminated it and I kept it in my envelope. If that time says exactly kids born, that's a
It's
pretty
5:10.
That's a senior for you, man. Thank you so much.
This is my elder son's timing. Thank you so much, really.
I want to thank you so much for this.
Thank you.